Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This tutorial will teach you how to fix WhatsApp. You may have new messages. Please, before I get started, I need you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing so. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you should know is the cause of the WhatsApp issue. So I will show you that you may have new messages notification. The reason is because your WhatsApp is disconnected from the internet in network management from an app called Hi Manager. This problem, which is you may have new messages, is common on MTK devices such as Tecno, Infinix, Xiaomi, and so on. So to solve this problem, which is you may have new messages, you simply just make sure your WhatsApp is connected to the internet in network management from an app called Hi Manager. Okay, so I'm going to show you a video I took using my Tecno Command C9. That was my old phone. Now I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S8. So okay, just watch the video to be able to solve the problem.